Hey guys, I'm Dee, watercolor artist. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to create easy watercolor motifs for surface pattern design. You don't need to sketch or draw. Just grab your brushes, paper and paint and let's get started. I'm going to start painting leaves with a small round brush. Here I've used light purple and pink and I'm blending them wet on wet and moving to the top. It's important to maintain white spacing in between and blend the pinks and purple when they are wet to get the soft gradient finish. Painting leaves is easy, but picking the right analogous colors is key for a harmonious composition. I am going to change the shape of the leaves. You can also use a reference photo or image if you find it hard to paint them from your imagination directly. Now going to change the shape of the leaves to round, and also the colors I'm picking are yellow and green and blending them wet on wet. A round brush is useful to create different shape of leaves, either pointed or round. Now I am going to change the shape of the leaves and make it more curved. By varying the pressure and the movement of the brush, I am able to get those different patterns and movements. Alternatively, you can come in and drop darker values of green so that it blends when it's wet. I really like the way this leaf turned out. As you can see, there is tonal variation which creates depth. Let's paint some more curvy leaves by rotating the brush. Now I'm trying to paint a bigger leaf which is similar to a monstera. We need to maintain gaps in between, but if you mess up, that's okay. You can come and fix it later. You can lift paint when it's wet to create tonal variation. This is a curved leaf, but here I'm going to mix green and pink and blend it wet on wet. I really like the way it turned out. You can paint small leaf just by touching the tip of the brush and moving upwards quickly. There you have, guys, loose watercolor motifs for your unique surface pattern design. If you're needing help with watercolors, you can book a free call with me via link in description, and I can help you master this unpredictable yet beautiful medium.